So I arrived in Napoli a couple of hours ago. I just woke up from a nap. I needed that nap. My Airbnb was located in like the Nightlife area in a really popular restaurant. So right now, everyone's just like jamming out outside and it's so lively here. I absolutely love it. They were singing Sera perché ti amo and I'm just like, oh my god, like that's the vibe. This is my Airbnb, this is my room. Yeah, I'm gonna get ready and explore. I strolled along Via Toledo having no set plans, observing the Napolitano lifestyle. I followed a crowd that entered this beautiful glass-ceilinged building called Galleria Umberto. I was amazed. I didn't get to see the Galerie Lafayette during my trip in Paris, but I bet it's as stunning as this one. There was an event taking place inside Castelnuovo, so I was only there for a bit. I was starving, got some pizza fritta, and while I waited for my order, I walked over to Piazza del Babascito. So I got myself some pizza fritta, which is the fried pizza that is a popular street food in Napoli. And it's very oily, you know, fried. We're gonna try it. I really have no idea where to place you. Fun fact, I was at the Galleria, right? There was this guy that stopped me and asked me where I was from, and Italians are such flirts. He was like, nice to meet you, blah, blah, blah. He kisses my hand. He goes, oh my, I'm dead. Stop, hold on. Hi, hello. Anyway, he asks me if I'm like traveling solo, and I was like, yes. Stranger danger. He was dressed very, como se dice, dressed really well, and I didn't think he was sus. It was so funny because before he like stopped me, I could see from the corner of my eyes that he was like trying to figure out how to approach me. But he did it, and like, good for him. But no, he asked me what I was doing tonight, and I was like, I don't know yet. And then I was like, what do you have in mind? And he goes, I want to take you out somewhere, so if you want to save your number, put your number in. And so I gave him my number, and we'll see if he pulls through. I don't know, if he can ask me, if he can stop me and ask me who I am, then maybe he will actually take me out. I actually planned on like going out with my Airbnb host because Napoli won the championships, and so there's like a huge celebration going on this whole week. So I really want to just like party with like the locals. You know, I'm Cheyenne. Right now I'm just like literally walking around exploring. I'm gonna go to this viewpoint later on by the castle. Yeah, I'm in this like little plaza and whatnot. I'll update you guys a little bit later if anything happens. Wasn't preserved well because there's so much vandalism. It's like right there, over there. lots of uphill situation. Don't have to enter the castle to see the nice view, by the way. There's like a little park downstairs. I made it to the top somehow. It's so beautiful. You're probably like, what's beautiful? Like, show me. It's so beautiful up here. It reminds me of a castle in Austria, but obviously this one's more developed. Is that a volcano? But yeah, it was supposed to rain, right? For some reason, it just passes through for like maybe 5 minutes, and it's like, thank goodness, because I just want to enjoy exploring the city without holding an umbrella. I wonder where the sun is gonna set. Behind me, never mind. I'm not in the water. Besides Mount Vesuvius, you could see the island of Capri, the marinas, Spacca Napoli, which is the straight narrow street that splits Naples in half, separating the north and the south. I decided to take the 25-minute walk back down to Quartieri Spagnoli, which wasn't bad at all. Just don't get run over by the cars on the winding streets and you'll be good. I ended up going to the bars with my Airbnb host. I met his friends and his girlfriend. Everyone was super nice and so chill. They even brought me drinks. Like, you guys didn't have to. Oh my god! Let's go. Yes? Okay.
What time is it?
It's 2:02, guys. We're riding on a motorcycle.
Let's go.
Early morning, I checked into my new accommodation, which I might add was probably comical for a local if they have seen me. Just picture a tourist rolling a medium-sized luggage up a steep hill for a good 10 minutes. Yeah, that was me. Below the lively streets of Napoli lies a series of tunnels and caves that holds a rich history dating back to the Greek settlements. This ancient city is known as Napoli Sotterranea. It was interesting to learn how the use of the city evolved over time, from aqueducts during the Roman Empire to burial grounds during the early Christian era, to becoming a place of refuge and storage throughout the medieval times, and to its significant role as a place of shelter during World War II. On another date with this Italian guy, but I don't know what we're doing. He was like, I have a plan, and he won't tell me. Oh, I freaking love that. I love when the guy makes plans. It shows like he's really interested and he wants to like impress you kind of thing, and he's taking initiative, and I just love that. I love it. I'm excited. I have to update you guys on a lot of things. I haven't been vlogging because life is just happening, okay? Life happens. And I ended up not going to Ischia. Because the weather has been rubbish, okay? It's been raining all day, every day, and it's just like a waste of time and money, because like what else am I gonna do on the island? I wanted to like swim, go to the thermal pools, the thermal baths, but it's not the same. But yes, that's it. All right, bye. Here again, eating street food. I got my kebab and my water. Walking in the streets of Napoli. It's been a while since I vlogged. So many things has happened these past few days. So I'm in Naples now, right? I was only supposed to be here from Friday till Sunday. I was supposed to go to Ischia from Sunday till Thursday. But the weather, no girl, it's been raining every single day, and that's what the forecast is going to be for the rest of my trip so far. And it's so annoying. You guys know I don't like the rain. I really don't. Like, it's great for like cuddling. It's a cuddling weather, but I'm exploring. It's not exploring weather. So like I'm just trying to make the most out of it. And like the thing is, I'm still enjoying myself. You know I love to plan, and you know I love visiting new places. I love exploring new places. I was looking forward to Ischia because it's similar to Capri. Ischia is another island off of Napoli. It's still not popular, so less touristy, and there's Procida as well, a boat ride away. But I guess things happen for a reason. I don't know, but it's been amazing so far. I've met so many friendly people, like really cool people. I'm just meeting the right people at the right time, and I'm just so grateful. We're walking to a Mercato di Resina. Suggested that I go to this market, and it's a very popular market in southern Italy. A lot of secondhand vintage items. I want to get denim, like Levi's, because apparently this guy is selling it for 5 to 10 euros, which is a steal. Damn, my wife's out of breath. Buongiorno. I'm here, I think. They have a lot of Levi's denim and like really cool pieces. And like, look at this. Versace. I don't know if it's real. I can't tell. I don't know. Like, I can't tell what's real and what's not. That's what I was like to the guy. I was like, I wish you were coming with me. But he's working right now. Lots of coats. Lots of racer jackets. Like race car. I think these are good. Oh yeah, that's real. So it's actually not like a market. I mean, it is a market, but it's like just a street full of vintage secondhand stores. And it's every day from like 8 till 1:30, I believe. Times may vary, so you would have to check on that. Oh wait, that's really cute. Don't know if I would wear it ever. It was really cute. Tour starts about an hour. I'm at I think Vesuvius Cafe. We didn't get anything from the market. People were so nice. There was one store that I went to. This guy was super sweet. He was like, "Where are you from?" I was like, "America." And then he told me his little story of how he went on a ship for work and like toured around Baltimore, New York, Philadelphia, Canada, and he showed me a picture of himself when he was 15 years old. And he was like, "Back then I had so much hair, now I don't." It was so cute. Some people watching right now, the usual. Oh my god.
I could stare at you for 100 years and I never blink an eye. You were beautiful, just like a flower. I could walk with you for 1,000,000 miles and my feet would not get tired. Where you go, I'll go, winter or summer. I don't care that seasons change. 'Cause darling, I'll stay right here with you. Every night and every day. 'Cause darling, there's nothing in this world I'd rather do. Never been this close to heaven. Never felt something just like this ecstasy. Never been this close to heaven. I don't know if this is real or fantasy, but somewhere in between. Somewhere in between. Oh yeah. You could fall asleep for 100 hours and I wouldn't miss a thing. I would keep you safe while you were dreaming. You could scream and shout, cry 1,000 tears, and I wouldn't let fear win. What you feel, I feel. Together we're healing. I don't care that seasons change.
Of course, the day I leave, the weather is nice and it's not raining. Hold on, where the frick am I going? Here? I'm heading to the Filipino restaurant because I miss Filipino food. Anyway, I can't wait to eat. Hey, just finished eating at this little cafe. It was honestly not good at all. And I'm just waiting for this Indian restaurant to open. So I figured I'd give you guys an update on what has been happening in life. But yeah, everyone was just like, you should just stay in Naples. Everyone, as in like the people that I've met here, like my Airbnb host, the Filipino nuns at the monastery were like, you should just stay here and then do the day trips, do Procida, Sorrento, Pompeii, whatever. So I was like, you know what? Maybe this is a sign. Maybe I should stay. And so I asked my Airbnb host if he knew any like accommodation, and his girlfriend let me stay at a private room in her house. So I was like, damn, they're so nice. Francesco, you are the best. Because every night I've been sleeping for 2 to 3 hours, actually just 2 hours each night, and I took a fat ass nap. And the first thing that I went to was the Gallerias. I was just like minding my own business, like admiring the place, wearing a full like work outfit, like a suit, and I was like, and he was really tall. I was planning to go eat pizza for the first time. He texted me saying, "Hey, what are you doing tonight?" And I'm like, "I'm actually about to go get pizza." And I said, "Do you want to join me?" And he was like, "Why not?" And then he texted me saying, "I don't think I'll be able to make it. Maybe we can meet after." I was like, "Okay." So we did. We met up at the Gallerias where he met me. No, he looked so good. And we went to this bar. The thing is, I was so like chill with him. Speaking of, it just felt so natural, you know? I wasn't nervous at all, which is really surprising. But then like, things got heated. And then we left because the bar closed. Toured me around. We went to the Maradona mural. We stayed up so late. Then we went to this other place on the hill where Castella Sant'Alma, around that area and by like the water. We hung out by the dock. I don't know what else we did. There's so many things that happened. Like I feel like I've been here forever. I feel like I've known everyone forever. Like I'm literally living my Italian spring Lizzie McGuire dreams right now. He's gonna like pick me up, bring me to this hotel so I can drop off my luggages there and just like chill. Literally, I'm so grateful for him, for Francesco, for everyone that I've met, Julian. No words.